Fact number 1. Air is composed of various gases, primarily nitrogen, about 78%, and oxygen, around 21%. Despite being colorless and odorless, it's vital for all life on Earth. Fact number 2. The weight of the air above us creates atmospheric pressure. It decreases with altitude, which is why it's harder to breathe at higher elevations. Fact number 3. Air plays a crucial role in weather patterns. Understanding air masses, pressure systems, and humidity levels helps meteorologists predict weather conditions. Fact number 4. Unfortunately, air quality is not always great. Air pollution, caused by human activities, can have serious health and environmental consequences. Fact number 5. We breathe in oxygen, which our bodies use to create energy through a process called respiration. Without it, we couldn't survive.